Hello everyone, I am Alin Garingo and today I will talk about multimedia and ICT in the 21st century. We live in the 21st century where technology is part of our daily life. Every day we use phones, computer, and the internet. These are all made possible through multimedia and ICT. Multimedia means using text, image, sound, and videos together to share information. ICT or information and communication technology is the use of technology to communicate, learn, and share ideas. One more important benefit of multimedia and ICT education: students can watch videos, join online classes, and create presentation. Learning become easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Multimedia and ICT also help us communicate. We can send message, make videos or calls, or share information anytime and anywhere. It helps people stay connected even when they are far apart. The 21st century, ICT support work and creativity. People can work online, start small business, and share creative ideas using multimedia like photos and videos. In conclusion, multimedia and ICT play an important role in our lives. They help us learn, communicate, and create in the 21st century. Understanding technology help us prepare for a better future. Bye everyone. Thank you. I hope you learned something from my video.
Thank you.